Holy shit. I'm not doing anything. Unbelievable. Jesus. That edge is so sharp. That tip is so sharp. Oh my god, I'm loving this knife. Lift and drop, lift and drop, lift and drop. This tank is way more nimble than I expected. It's definitely not that heavy. And oh my god, that edge is so refined, so sharp. Oh my god, look at these slices. These slices are really nice and thin, clean, thin cuts. That's what you get with this tank. I mean, straight up and down chopping is just, oh my god. It is so much fun. Jesus. You can do like really precise cuts as well with this super thin tip. Yeah, you can score, you can push cut. I don't really want to rock with this knife because I feel that I will chip the tip, chip the tip, chip the tip. Nobody wants to chip the tip. The shallots didn't stand a chance. This is so easy. Straight up and down chopping is crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, with a little bit of practice, I could do a nice brunoise with this knife as well. Definitely possible. Julienne, no problem. Just the food release is not fantastic. Am I having fun? Yes, I'm having fun. Yeah, I'm having fun. With the Italian pinch grip, you're also preventing the produce from climbing up the blade, because it will hit your finger and just fly off the blade. It just falls through a potato like. Actually, now I'm cutting with this for a little bit. I don't even have to adjust my pinch grip. It's actually very doable to hold this with a normal pinch grip. Initially I thought I would need to use to put my thumb straight all the way there and then 2 fingers here on the other side, or maybe even 3. But actually a traditional pinch grip, very doable with this blade. No problem whatsoever. Love it. This is quite a small cabbage, but I expect these blades to be very helpful when it comes to cutting bigger or huge cabbages because of the height. Maybe not because of the length, but definitely for the height. This should be convenient. Yeah, this is definitely a cabbage layer. This could definitely become one of my favorite cabbage layers. Anybody want some thinly sliced cabbage with their chicken katsu? Go grab it. Tinker Tank and make it happen. This Tinker Tank is definitely a great chopper. Probably the best chopper of them all. With the tip, I expect to be able to do quite some precise and precision stuff as well. That you can score things, you can score with this tip very easily. The tip is so sharp. You could do all kinds of incisions with it. But just chopping with this blade, it's not gonna get boring anytime soon. Jesus, this edge that Shibata put on this blade is just crazy. This thing is going through skin of a bell pepper. I wish I had a chili pepper here. I don't have a chili pepper right now, so that sucks, because for me that's always a good test if I'm liking my edge or not. But this is very sharp. It just falls through the skin of a bell pepper. I'm not even moving forward, it's just the weight of it. It just falls through a bell pepper, people. It just falls through. Lordy Lord. I just want to see if it can do this. Definitely. Clean cut through a avocado pit. I really like the Tinker Tank. I thought I was going to sell this guy, but this Tinker Tank is not going anywhere, people.